guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and today I'm going to be giving you 3 simple hacks that will help you stay organized while homeschooling your kids that will cost you nothing, nada, zip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and yeah, let's get started. First one up is Upcycled Tin Cans. I love saving these cans. I wash them, make sure they're dry and clean, and I will use these to organize color pencils, paintbrushes, chalk, crayons, rulers, hole punchers, and scissors. And I keep all of this on this shelf that you see here. So in the morning when I homeschool my son, everything is just visible, easy to grab. And when we're done, I know where everything goes. And I'm not piling things up. It's just everything goes in its own can. This was free. I didn't have to pay. I didn't have to go out and buy anything new. I am just simply upcycling these tin cans. The second one is repurposing candle jars. And here I am freezing the jar. And once the wax is frozen, it'll easily pop out like you see here. Sometimes you may have to use a spoon to scoop the wax out, and you can finish using this wax if you have a candle wax melter thing, and that way nothing goes to waste. And I love repurposing these jars because they are perfect to store little pieces that you can use for crafts. And here I have 2 that I have already repurposed, and in one I keep these rubber bands, and this is a pretty big size, so it worked out perfectly for just rubber bands. And in this one I am currently hiding these bouncy balls. My kids were just kind of weren't figuring out whose was whose, so I am just hiding them until I feel like they have figured out what ball belongs to whom. This is free and I didn't have to pay for any of it, so this is where I store them, and it's just visible, easy to grab and go, and they also look cute. And the last one is reusing your Amazon boxes. I truly love doing this. This has helped me stay organized, and it also has made homeschooling a lot easier. I normally will set up some kind of activity for my daughter to do in the morning while I'm homeschooling my son, and I will put different things in this little box and I will set it out for her to grab and use, and when she's done she'll put it all back and it goes right back down here. And sometimes I do little ones and she just loves that. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and today I'm going to be sharing 3 simple tips